I'm Molly Suberthorpe. Welcome to my channel, where I offer bite-sized tutorials and demonstrations in calligraphy and hand lettering, and upload a brand new video every Friday. Today you can follow along with me as I practice Everlasting Monoline, the hand lettering style that I created as a free downloadable practice sheet through my lettering toolkit. It comes as a layered Procreate file so you can practice the styles right on your iPad, but also as a high-resolution printable PDF so you can practice as ink on paper. If you're not already aware of this, I offer a free lettering toolkit that anyone can download by going to mollysletteringtoolkit.com. When you sign up for my mailing list, which is 100% free, you will have access to download all of these free practice sheets, Procreate practice exemplars, and even some free Procreate lettering brushes. As I say, this is entirely free. There are no strings attached. When you sign up with your email address, you'll get a confirmation email that requires you to confirm your email address. And after that, you'll receive another email with the direct link to the downloads page. You can unsubscribe at absolutely any time, but I'll tell you that I add a new freebie roughly every month. So if you stay my subscriber, I promise never to spam you, and you will receive immediate notification and access to every new freebie that I add along the way. Once you've installed the Procreate file, you just want to go into your layers and make sure that you select the Trace Here layer so that you're not writing on top of the actual artwork itself, and you're writing on a layer that you can turn on and off so that you can practice these again and again. I'm going to be using the bonus Monoline calligraphy pen brush that comes as part of my Calligraphy Nibs Procreate brush pack. That and every other link mentioned in this video is going to be listed below. Then I make sure that I'm on a high contrasting color. I'm going to select black for this, and I test out my nib a bit to make sure that I have the appropriate size for the lettering strokes that I want to be making. Beyond that, I just have fun as I glide around my screen and trace every single letter. alphabet, a cute monoline calligraphy alphabet that I consider to be reminiscent of schoolhouse cursive. Now that you've practiced every letter, you can turn off the guide layer and the tracing layer so that you can have a look at your work and also study them and practice them over and over so that you can incorporate them into your own layout designs. As always, tag me in your work on Instagram because I always like to see what my subscribers and followers create using my practice sheets, books, and tutorials. And if you'd like to see more follow-along practice videos like this one, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll see you next week.